Solar panels can be quite costly, and this initial expense often deters many homeowners from considering them as a viable option. They often range from $15,000 to $30,000 for a residential system, depending on the size and quality of the panels. This significant upfront investment can seem daunting, especially when compared to traditional energy sources. However, it's important to understand the factors contributing to this cost, such as the technology, installation, and maintenance. Like any complex technology, solar panels involve various components and processes, including high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing techniques. By breaking down these costs, we can better appreciate the value and long-term benefits of solar energy, which include significant savings on electricity bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Investing in solar panels is akin to purchasing a high-quality appliance that offers reliability and efficiency. Think of a refrigerator or a washing machine. These appliances have a higher upfront cost, but they offer long-term savings through energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Similarly, solar panels are a long-term investment that can pay off significantly over time, providing both financial and environmental benefits. The savings on electricity bills can accumulate over the years, making the initial investment worthwhile. Understanding the initial cost breakdown is crucial for making an informed decision. This allows homeowners to make informed decisions about their energy future, considering both the financial and environmental impacts. It also helps us appreciate the technology and craftsmanship that goes into these remarkable devices, ensuring they perform efficiently for many years. Not all solar panels are created equal. Each type has its own unique characteristics and benefits. The type of panel greatly influences the overall cost, and understanding these differences is crucial for making an informed decision. Monocrystalline solar panels are highly efficient, often recognized by their sleek, black appearance. They are made from a single, high-purity silicon crystal, which contributes to their high efficiency. This meticulous manufacturing process makes them more expensive to produce, but their performance can justify the cost. Polycrystalline solar panels, on the other hand, are made from multiple silicon crystals, giving them a distinctive blue, fragmented look. This method of production makes them less efficient compared to monocrystalline panels, but they are more affordable and still a popular choice. Thin-film solar panels are the most affordable option available on the market today. However, they are also the least efficient, often underperforming in energy output tests compared to other types. These panels use a thin layer of photovoltaic material on a substrate like glass or plastic, making them lightweight and versatile. Choosing the right solar panel involves a balance between cost and efficiency, and understanding your specific needs is key. High-efficiency panels cost more upfront, but they can generate more electricity in the same amount of space, which can be a significant advantage. This can be particularly beneficial for homeowners with limited roof space who need to maximize their energy production. Ultimately, the best panel type depends on individual needs and budget, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Consulting with a qualified solar installer is essential to navigate these options effectively. They can assess your energy requirements, roof space, and budget to recommend the most suitable and cost-effective option for your home. The cost of solar panels extends beyond the panels themselves. It's important to consider the entire process from start to finish. Installation is a significant factor in the overall expense. The expertise and precision required for a proper installation cannot be understated. It can vary depending on the system's size and complexity. Larger systems or those with advanced features may require more time and resources. Labor costs also play a crucial role in the total cost. Skilled labor ensures the panels are installed correctly and safely. These can differ based on location and the availability of qualified installers. Urban areas might have more options, while rural areas could face higher costs due to scarcity of skilled labor. The location and accessibility of your property also impact installation costs. A straightforward roof is easier and cheaper to work on. A roof with multiple facets or obstructions requires more labor-intensive installation. Features like chimneys, skylights, or unusual angles add complexity. This can increase the overall price significantly. The more complex the installation, the higher the labor costs. Similarly, installing solar panels in remote areas might involve higher transportation and logistical costs. Distance and accessibility can add to the expense. It's vital to obtain multiple quotes from reputable solar installers. This helps ensure you get a fair price and quality service. Comparing costs and services allows you to find the best value for your investment. Look for detailed proposals that outline every aspect of the installation. A transparent and detailed breakdown of installation costs is essential. This helps you understand where your money is going and what to expect. This ensures that you understand the full scope of the project. Clear communication and detailed planning lead to a successful installation and a satisfied customer. The materials used in solar panels contribute to their cost. High-purity silicon, a key component, is energy-intensive to produce. This adds to the manufacturing expense. Silver, used in solar cells for its excellent conductivity, also adds to the cost. The glass used to protect the solar cells and the aluminum frame that provides structural support are additional expenses. The manufacturing process itself is complex and requires specialized equipment and expertise. These factors contribute to the overall cost of the panels. Section 5. The global market, raw materials and rising costs. The price of solar panels is influenced by global market forces. Fluctuations in the cost of raw materials like silicon and silver directly impact manufacturing costs. Global demand for solar energy is another factor. As demand increases, so too does the demand for raw materials. This can lead to price increases. Political instability, trade wars, and natural disasters can also disrupt supply chains. These disruptions can cause price volatility in the solar panel market. Section 6. Paper trails and permits navigating regulations. Before you can power your home with the sun, there's paperwork to be done. Permits and inspections are necessary to ensure safety and compliance with building codes. These regulatory processes can add to the overall cost of going solar. Fees vary depending on your location and the complexity of your solar installation. Some areas have streamlined permitting processes, while others can be more time-consuming and costly. It's important to factor in these expenses when budgeting for your solar panel system. Working with a reputable solar installer can simplify the process. They can guide you through the necessary paperwork and ensure a smooth and compliant installation. Section 7. The long-game savings and return on investment. While the initial cost of solar panels can be significant, it's crucial to consider the long-term financial benefits. Solar panels can drastically reduce or even eliminate your monthly electricity bills. This translates to substantial savings over the system's lifespan, which can be 25 years or more. The return on investment, or ROI, for solar panels varies depending on factors like energy consumption, electricity rates, and available incentives. However, many homeowners see a payback period of 5 to 10 years. This means that within that time frame, the cumulative savings on electricity bills offset the initial investment. After the payback period, the electricity generated by your solar panels is essentially free. This provides long-term energy independence and protection from rising energy costs. The future is bright government incentives and rebates. To encourage the adoption of renewable energy, governments offer various incentives and rebates for solar panel installations. These programs can significantly reduce the upfront cost of going solar, making it more accessible to homeowners. Federal tax credits, state incentives, and local rebates can collectively amount to thousands of dollars in savings. These incentives are often time-sensitive and subject to change, so it's essential to stay informed about current programs in your area. Consulting with a qualified solar installer can help you navigate the complexities of available incentives and maximize your savings. They can guide you through the application process and ensure you receive all eligible benefits. Beyond the $ environmental benefits of solar. While the financial benefits of solar energy are compelling, the environmental advantages are equally significant. Solar panels generate clean, renewable energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and their harmful emissions. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change and create a more sustainable future. Solar panels produce no greenhouse gases during operation, making them a crucial tool in the fight against global warming. Investing in solar energy is an investment in a cleaner, healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. It's a step towards reducing our carbon footprint and transitioning to a more sustainable energy system. Making the switch factors to consider for your home. Deciding to go solar is a significant decision that requires careful consideration. Several factors influence whether solar panels are the right choice for your home. Your roof's orientation, size, and shading play a crucial role in determining the efficiency of solar panels. A south-facing roof with minimal shading is ideal. Your energy consumption habits and patterns also influence the size of the solar system you need. Evaluating your budget and financing options is essential. While solar panels are a long-term investment with significant savings potential, it's crucial to ensure they align with your financial goals and capabilities. A brighter tomorrow, solar energy's potential. Solar energy holds immense potential for a brighter and more sustainable future. As technology advances and costs continue to decline, solar power is becoming increasingly accessible to homeowners and businesses worldwide. The transition to a clean energy economy driven by solar power offers numerous benefits, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, combating climate change, creating jobs, and fostering energy independence are just a few of the advantages. Embracing solar energy is not just about reducing our electricity bills, it's about investing in a healthier planet and a more sustainable future for generations to come. As we continue to explore and harness the power of the sun, we unlock a world of possibilities for a cleaner, brighter tomorrow.